Most people, when they need a tape measure, run to the hardware store, grab it off the rack. They're all the same, right? Take it home, use it, throw it in the drawer. There's a tape measure out there that I think beats them all. It's got features that other tape measures don't have. It's my favorite, and I'll show you why. Tape measures seem to be made for left-handed people. You pull it out with your right hand, and it's a little tough to make an accurate mark with your left. So you pull it out with your left hand. Now then the numbers are upside down. It's kind of annoying.
With the Lefty Righty, it doesn't matter which hand you use. You can pull it out either way, and the numbers are right side up on either side of the tape. And if you don't like fractions like I do, they're all spelled out for you. 16ths, 8ths, fourths, everything. I like that. There won't be any more of this one little line past the half. Also, the tape has a break button. When you pull the tape out, you can hold it out without locking it down. If you need to pull it out a longer ways, you can use it to control the recoil so it doesn't snap your fingers. Another neat little feature, it's also a notepad. You can simply write your measurement on the tape, walk away, come back, and it's right there. To erase it, simply rub it off. A wet finger does pretty good too, but you don't need to see that. It also has a built-in pencil sharpener. The tape is strong and can be pulled out a long ways. I got about 92 inches here. $104. Not too bad.